Hello little ones. Good morning all. How are you? In previous session, we learned about amazing nature and day and night. Do you remember? Yes. So today we will do an activity for day and night. Will you do with me? Yes. So let's start. I have some pictures related to day and night. Now we will be segregating them. Which picture is this? This is a picture of the sun, which we can see during the day. So we will keep it in daytime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of star, which we can see during the night. So we will keep it in nighttime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of flying bird. Birds fly during daytime. So we will keep it in daytime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of the moon. We can see the moon in the night. So we will keep it in nighttime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of children. Children are playing in the garden in the daytime. So we will keep this in daytime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of an owl. An owl can see only at the night time. So it awakes in the night and owl sleeps in the day because owl cannot see in the daytime. It can only see in night time. So we will keep it in nighttime picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of boys who are going to school. We go to school in morning. So we will keep it in daytime picture. Which picture is this? In this picture, a boy is sleeping. We sleep at night. So we will keep this picture in nighttime picture. Now you can see in white chart paper, I have kept the things which we can see during day. And in black chart paper, I have kept the things which we can see during night. So now children, can you understand what is day and what is night? Yes? Fine. Here I have a practice worksheet for you. In this worksheet, you have to circle the things you see during the day and cross the things you see during the night. We will solve this practice work in next session. Bye bye children.